dear creatives, welcome back to class. So in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to make a very nice petal strands that you can use to embellish any hearts, fascinators. You can even use this to embellish your turban. I made this fascinator a long time ago, and I've been getting questions about, okay, how did I create the petal embellishment? And this is how I'm going to be making the embellishment. So you can use this to embellish whatever headwear, headgear, or headpieces you like. So first of all, here are the materials I'm going to be needing for this project. And if you're meeting me for the first time, thank you so much for tuning in here. My name is Adiola and I'm your headwear tutor. So 0.90 mm wire is what you're going to be needing, and I have created this already and I'm going to show you how I made this. It's so simple. Okay, so for my 0.90 mm, I'm going to cut out a long strand depending on the length that you want. So you're going to double this, which I've already done, and I'm going to twist each of this. After twisting, I'll show you the measurement so you can know what to cut out. So I'm going to twist it really quickly into these other parts that I have right here. So I want my strands to be unequal, so I'm just working with random lengths right here. But for you, you can make it longer and shorter. And the good thing about this particular silver plated copper wire, jewelry wire mostly, it's called jewelry wire, is that it is flexible and it can bend to any shape of your choice. So this is what I have right here. You can use 3 pieces, you can use 4 pieces. So for the length of this one right here, for those who would like to know the measurement, this is 13.5 inches, and the other one right here is about 18 inches. So I have like 2 18 inches and 2 13 inches. So after you have cut out your wire right here, I'm not sure if I'm going to be needing up to 4, but I'm going to start with these 3. So whatever you do on one is what you're going to create for the other piece of wire that you have. So now, after talking about the 0.0 mm wire, you need your satin ribbon. I'm going to be mixing my petals with wire feathers. So a combination of petals and wire feathers. This is wire feathers right here. So I can pick it into single strands, and you will see how I created it. I need my wire cutter right here, and of course you need your hot glue to be able to attach your petals to the wire. So quickly, let's get started. So whenever you cut your ribbon, you ensure that you use lighter to burn the edges so that it does not fray. Okay, after doing that, I'm going to start wrapping. For now, let me use my hot glue and I cover this edge right here. Can you see that? Great. And then I can wrap. So I just wrapped the tip, and I'm going to place one strand of feathers at the middle right here. Just one strand at the center. Can you see that? And then I'm going to apply glue and then place my petals to cover that edge, and then on the other side I'm going to apply my glue and then place another feather to cover it. So you hold it down until it's properly dry. So can you see? This is one right here. So I'm going to continue to wrap this. So basically what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to put my feathers in between the petals while I use the ribbon to wrap up the naked wire. So when I come down a little, I'll repeat the process. This time around, allow your feathers to branch out. Let me come down a little. Allow your feather to branch out. So I'm just wrapping. Okay, so this time around, allow my feather to branch out to the side, to one side. Okay, so I apply some glue, pick my feathers to cover one end, and then apply glue again, pick my feathers, apply glue, pick my petals, and then I wrap it, I cover it up, ensure that the center too is properly covered. So this is what I have here. Can you see how beautiful it looks? Okay, this is the first one, and this is the second one, and this is the third one. Wow, looking gorgeous. So you can bend this as you like, you can curl it, you can swirl it just as you like, and it's going to stay in shape just like that. I hope you enjoyed this class. I look forward to seeing your own practical. You can drop a comment for me if you have any feedback or practical, and also reach out to me through my Instagram handle Aliot by Ruby, and you can contact me directly on WhatsApp with the number on your screen. Thank you so much for joining me. I'll see you in another tutorial. My name is Adiola once again. Bye for now.